Hey everyone, let's make pasta primavera and as we welcome spring. I've got a pan with some boiling water, some salt and some oil, and this is going to be the pan where I'm going to boil my pasta. And I'm going to use a handful per person, so I think it's about 4 handfuls or about 2.5 cups of dry pasta. Half a pound of pasta if you're using weight. Pasta primavera, I'm using a deep pan because I'll be sauteing a lot of vegetables. I've added about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to begin by sauteing like about quarter thin strips of onion. Now that you can add a tablespoon of garlic, and I'm just going to saute it for a couple minutes, like 2 or 3 minutes. I mean, the purpose is not to make them red or change color, just to saute and infuse the oil with the garlic. I've also added half diced asparagus. This is a red pepper. I've also added half a diced red pepper. I've added 2 diced carrots. Boiling, now is the time to add the package instructions. In my case, I need to boil this pasta for about 10 minutes. I've added about 1.5 cup of asparagus. Now, the reason why I cooked this dish was that I had so much asparagus in the house, and I wanted to really cook through this dish, and primavera was the dish in my mind. I've just added zucchini, which is diced. And you can add peas. I did not have peas today. And you can add pretty much any vegetable combination that you like. Now I'm adding some basil too. And you can add some basil to your taste. So I'm adding a handful of cherry tomatoes. This is almost a cupful of cherry tomatoes. I just added some salt and some freshly ground pepper to taste. 4 mushrooms. And I'm going to add some pasta water that I reserved from my pasta, which has been boiled, and I've drained it. So I'm going to add a bit of that, like half cup, and cook through. After cooking through the vegetables, I will now add the pasta. I add back the pasta, and I'm going to add back some of the water, so use like 1 cup of the pasta water. And then mix everything up. More salt and pepper, and I added some more basil flakes because I wanted the taste of basil to infuse through the pasta. I drizzle about a teaspoon of olive oil to this pasta to moisten it. Vegetable primavera looks like nice and beautiful with all sorts of vegetables loaded up in it. And now I'm going to add some cheese, Parmesan cheese on it, and I can see my daughter already feeling good about it. So I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese on it and add some parsley. Garnished it with a few sprigs of parsley, and I'm going to give everything a good toss. And I've also added some cheese, Parmesan cheese, about 4 tablespoons, 3 to 4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. And my Primavera is ready to serve, loaded with lots of fresh vegetables to start this spring. Do try it, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye. I've got my Primavera ready in a bowl and I'm ready to dig in. Enjoy this lovely recipe and have a great spring.